guys, welcome back to Brandon and Curly. And today I have this metal with plastic part. It's like this little truck. It's die cast. Die cast truck. It's a die cast cement truck. This is what it looks like, and like this goes around. And it's really cool. I've been wanting this for a while. And yeah, it looks really cool. I like how it drives and stuff. And yeah, I've been wanting this for a while. And yeah, it looks really cool. And I really like it. And our next item today will be the Shopkins vending machine. It's like a holder for your Shopkins. Yeah. Like that. Take that out. Take these Shopkins. This is a Shopkins list. I wonder what kind I got. Pink pretzel. Probably be. I got a rare, the pink pretzel. And now let's go back. And I got another rare. So that is really cool. I got 2 rares today. And I'm really happy. That's what it looks like with that off. Yeah. And yeah, that's all I have. Because this video is really short, is because I'm doing a special video in a couple minutes because I'm going toy hunting and I'm bringing you guys along. And that's why I have my sweatshirt on and I'm all ready to go. So that's why this video is short, but I wanted to open this and see what it was all about, but I wanted to show you guys, and it really took me a minute to look at this and show you guys, so I decided to do this with it. So yeah, that's all I have for right now. I'll be doing a video, a toy hunting video with you guys later. I might have 2 parts, so just watch out. It might be an hour or so. So, yeah. Thank you guys. This is my Shopkins vending machine and my die-cast alarm model cement truck. I hope you guys have fun. I'll see you guys in an hour or 2 hours. Thank you guys. Hope seeing you guys next time on Brandon and Curly. Have a nice day.